Hey, so I have this utility supply closet, which I use as my cleaning supply closet. A complete mess. But now it looks like... But let's not get carried away. The issue is there's a bunch of pipes in the way, the air system, the fuse box, which means storing my cleaning equipment here is messy. And let's be honest, I just throw things inside. But here's the plan. Build a second floor so I can hide the pipes but still have access to them. Then some clamps, some grips, some hooks to basically attach the ironing board, the brooms, the mops, anything I use for cleaning. So let's build up a blueprint and then head out to the store to get the material we need. The goal is to use these little 2x4s, put them like this so they basically hold up the piece of wood and the piece of wood doesn't lie on the pipes. Okay, there's an issue. The pipes here block, so it doesn't allow me to push down the piece of wood. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut a piece of wood here and here. Now we're gonna put the beams so we can still have access to the pipe and it's not lying on them. Now that we got the bottom, we're gonna make everything around it look perfect. And then we're also gonna build a little cover here to hide this little gap. Piece of wood fits perfectly. The goal is to make it level, so I'm gonna get my level and then put my L. The top shelf is now put up. I've got those clips where basically your broom comes, clips on. So the clips are attached, that's top. So I would love to be able to hang things. So I bought those handles and some little S's to really just put them like this and be able to hang stuff. So now if I want to hang anything, I'm able to. I also have this Hoover holder that I would love to put just here. And so yeah, the cleaning closet is finally done and hopefully it'll encourage me to clean the house more often. Thank you for watching.